If you work with patterns in Photoshop from time to time, the Tiny Tools pattern plugin can be very useful for you. A particularly handy feature is that you can restrict pattern creation to the active layers using this checkbox. Let me show you an example. I select 2 layers, each containing a square. With the Add button, I create a pattern from them. It's that simple. Since I haven't enabled the Save option, this pattern won't be added to the Photoshop pattern library, keeping it from getting cluttered with patterns you only need once. If you want to save a pattern in the Photoshop pattern library, you can enable the Save function and assign a name. By right-clicking on the Add button, you can also create a new folder in the Photoshop pattern library if needed. A dialog will then open where you can enter the folder name. Whether or not you add the pattern to the Photoshop library. You can also access a dialog for more options via the right-click menu. A small tip: create the layers you use for creating patterns slightly larger and choose values of 100% or less here, otherwise your patterns may get blurry. Especially when creating seamless textures for 3D renderings, the toggle button for the pattern preview is very helpful. With just one click, you can switch between your texture and the pattern preview at any time. Download a free trial version of the Tiny Tools pattern plugin now and see for yourself how much easier working with patterns can be.